The Department of Administration processed 1,127 checks totaling more than $10 million in retroactive law enforcement pay.
This is a big project for us. I know working with the fiscal group, government's fiscal group, as well as human resources, payroll, accounting, and the entire department. There, I guess we came together to complete this major project for us. It's a milestone for the governor.
DOA Deputy Director Tony Blas says staff worked tirelessly with public safety agency personnel to crunch the numbers and ensure that the checks were ready for distribution today. Staff spent several hours today sorting through the checks, setting aside those belonging to inactive government employees who resigned, retired, were terminated, or who are deployed.
Like for retirees and things of the sort, so we had to take it out, and also the retirees can come over here to the Treasure Guam and pick up their checks, and those people who are part of the list for the law enforcement.
While some personnel were eligible for a check, Blas says it may have been garnished due to child support arrears or other obligations to the government. Representatives from each department picked up the checks for distribution to personnel this afternoon. Now, some Guam Fire Department personnel will have to wait until tomorrow. Spokesperson Lieutenant Ed Artero says personnel who are working today can pick up their checks from payroll on Saturday between 8 a.m. and noon. Artero adding the decision was made for each individual firefighter to come in and receive their check rather than having it distributed to each fire station. Now, today's partial payment also effectively stops the bleeding, as personnel will see the implementation of the remaining 20% in their paychecks next Friday, bringing them to the full 40%. It's something the judiciary of Guam is hoping for as well. Chief Justice F. Philip Carbolito wrote letters to the governor and the speaker today requesting assistance to fund the full implementation of the pay adjustments for marshals and probation officers. The Chief Justice noting, quote, "Without such assistance, a serious disparity will exist, creating a situation of inequity for these judiciary employees and would potentially cause dysfunction within the public safety arena," end quote. The court needs approximately $900,000 to adjust the pay and bring them up to the full 40% that's mandated by law through the end of this fiscal year. Judiciary Oversight Chair Senator Frank Uggan Jr. meanwhile chimed in, writing a similar letter to the governor requesting for his assistance for the funding, noting he is ready to draft legislation if it's necessary. Reporting for Guam's News Network, I'm Mindy Uggan.